Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery requires up to 3 hours and 30 minutes to charge to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The device has a standby time of up to 330 hours and a use talk time of up to 6 hours and 48 minutes. View battery level. To view the device's battery level, from the home screen, press the OK button to access the apps tray. Navigate to and highlight the Settings app. Then press the OK button. Navigate to and highlight the Device tab. Press the Down button until Battery is highlighted. Then press the OK button. Current battery level will be displayed. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, press the Down button to highlight power saving mode. Press the OK button. Press the Up button to highlight On. Then press the OK button. To access more display options, from the Settings screen, navigate to and highlight the Personalization tab. Then press the Down button until Display is highlighted. Press the OK button. To reduce screen brightness, press the Down button to highlight the brightness slider. Press the left button to lower the screen brightness to the desired level. To set a shorter screen timeout, press the Down button to highlight Screen Timeout, then press the OK button. Press the Up or Down buttons to highlight the desired screen timeout option, then press the OK button. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, press the Up button to access quick settings. If enabled, navigate to and highlight the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth icons. Then press the OK button to turn them off. Or if you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Navigate to and highlight the airplane mode icon. Then press the OK button to enable. To disable location services, from the home screen, press the OK button to access the apps tray. Navigate to and highlight the Settings app. Then press the OK button. From the Network and Connectivity tab, press the Down button until Geolocation is highlighted. Press the OK button. Press the Down button to highlight Off. Then press the OK button to turn off location.